Hi, and welcome back to the Law of Attraction Manifestation channel. Join me as I dive deep into the world of Buddhism and see if I can uncover whether it's really a form of the law of attraction. The idea that our thoughts and intentions can shape our reality is a fascinating concept that has been explored in both Buddhism and the law of attraction. On the surface, it may seem like two vastly different belief systems, but as we dive deeper, we start to notice some striking similarities. Both philosophies emphasize the importance of cultivating a positive mindset, letting go of negative thoughts and emotions, and focusing on what we want to achieve in life. This got me thinking, are Buddhism and the law of attraction more connected than we initially thought? One of the biggest misconceptions about Buddhism is that it's a religion that's all about venerating the Buddha. But in reality, Buddhism is more about understanding the nature of the mind and achieving enlightenment through one's own efforts. Similarly, the law of attraction is often misunderstood as a way to attract wealth, success, and material possessions through visualization and positive thinking. However, its core principles are actually rooted in the idea that our thoughts and emotions have a profound impact on our lives. Many people think that the law of attraction is all about wishful thinking, that if we just close our eyes, visualize what we want, and believe in it hard enough, it'll magically manifest in our lives. But that's not how it works. The law of attraction is about cultivating a mindset that's focused on what we want, rather than what we don't want. It's about being intentional with our thoughts and emotions, and taking deliberate action towards our goals. Another misconception is that Buddhism is all about avoiding worldly desires and living a life of renunciation. But in reality, Buddhism is about understanding the impermanent nature of all things and finding happiness and fulfillment in the present moment. Both Buddhism and the law of attraction emphasize the importance of being present, mindful, and intentional in our daily lives. Buddhism's core principles, such as mindfulness and intention, are eerily similar to the principles of the law of attraction. Mindfulness is about being fully engaged in the present moment, without judgment or distraction. Intention is about setting a clear direction for our lives and taking deliberate action towards our goals. Sound familiar? These principles are essentially the same as the law of attraction's emphasis on being intentional with our thoughts and emotions and taking deliberate action towards our desires. One of the most profound insights I've gained from exploring both Buddhism and the law of attraction is that they both emphasize the power of the mind and intention in shaping our experiences. In Buddhism, this is known as karma, the idea that our thoughts, words, and actions have consequences in our lives. In the law of attraction, this is known as manifestation, the idea that our thoughts and emotions can bring about specific outcomes in our lives. Both philosophies recognize that our minds are incredibly powerful, and that we have the ability to shape our reality through our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. This isn't about being in control of everything that happens in our lives, but rather about being responsible for our own inner world. When we take ownership of our thoughts, emotions, and intentions, we begin to see the world in a whole new light. What I've come to realize is that Buddhism and the law of attraction aren't mutually exclusive. They're complementary. They're two different approaches to the same fundamental truth, that our minds have the power to shape our reality. While Buddhism offers a more spiritual and philosophical approach, the law of attraction offers a more practical and actionable approach. Lastly, while Buddhism and the law of attraction are distinct philosophies, they share a common thread: the power of the mind and intention in shaping our experiences. I hope this video has inspired you to explore these concepts further and to find ways to apply them in your own life. Thanks for watching. And if you have any thoughts on whether Buddhism is a form of the law of attraction, please share them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about spiritual practices, be sure to check out my videos on spirituality. And if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Enjoy your day.